So today we have beans, green beans, nicely chopped. The shape is as per your preference. You can do it that way. This is carrots, chopped nicely, as you can see. And these are the other ingredients: shredded coconut, shallots, curry leaves, green chili, and so on. So this is all that is going to be used. All this is going to be crushed properly in the mixer. Sorry, I missed turmeric powder, which is very important, and also cumin seeds. So this is how it would look like, the coconut. Please remember not to make it as a paste. It should be only shredded in the mixer. So hot pan, using the mustard seeds and the urad dal, adding the red chili and the curry leaf. After a minute or so, just add the beans to it and followed by the carrots. Adding the salt to it. So it's almost 10 minutes. We had closed the lid and cooked. So this is how it is. Fantastic, full of vitamins, nutrients, carbohydrates, everything, fiber, everything it has. Request you all to subscribe to our channel and please let us know about your comments. We will be more than happy to see your comments. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice day.